Oh, you tok-tok. Oh, bye.
What is that?
Nima.
Okay.
Nima.
I'm thinking. I'm thinking.
Thinking what?
I haven't talked to Auntie Bergie yet for the giving of the cake.
Okay.
The cake.
Yeah.
How can I give her? I don't know the Gcash number of Impong.
Tok Impong.
I will ask Impong.
Yeah. Or Gonzalo Sanglay. Yes.
I will ask
But if
Gonzalo.
you send the money, you will give to one. 2-1 because the cash out it's 20 pesos.
Ay,
For
how? Ay, mahulog ka dyan. Dali lang ah.
What?
Ay, laya mo tayo.
Hima si Dridri. Manihin pa ko lang.
Yes, go. Neto. Hey! Tagal pa magal. Yes, because, what happened to your face?
I told you last time.
It is not, it's going to your pimple?
Yes. So many people. What?
Who are you there? Who are you? Who are you with? Who are you with? Who you? What?
Challenging offers.
How? Mother? I will call Auntie Virginia. Ay no. Magagalit yan si ano. Balik mo yan mamaya, ha?
Hi, Dre. Hey, Dre.
Look what he did.
Si Virgie.
Is busy? What?
Monday today. Tawagan mo.
Tinawagan ko lang I already called her but she post at Virgie is busy. That's why.
Then we call Gonzalo.
Look at him. Lul, Mama Prise. What?
Mama Prise.
What now?
What to know? What?
There.
Where is your teeth? I don't see your face.
We cannot speak here Pangasinan, okay? We speak English only. So, you will be discriminated if you speak in English.
My bayaw he is coming here in Santa Cruz.
Yes, the Bayaw Gerard, yes, he is.
When?
I can see your face, your dick only.
I don't want to show me.
Friday morning.
I told you it's not allowed to speak in Pangasinan. It's not allowed to speak in Pangasinan.
What? We need to speak English because I'm foreigner now. What? Because we are foreigner now. What?
I cannot understand. The Pangasinan, I cannot.
You clean the floor mat. Dikal mo buhat yan. Kasabit-sabit. Aray may uyay niya. Baw. Baw. Makapabay ka naman ni English. Abay ni kandarang jahit hindi. Ini nanti English here. Isa lang pa man. Isa lang pa man na doon dito. Kapabay ka
Auntie Virgie, what is he doing? Because I will send you the payment of the cake.
She's not here.
Where is he? She.
I don't know. She
I
go
think-
outside with her daughter.
So I will give you or the.
Maybe later you send me and I will ask him here. And before you send me cookie.
Okay, 2,000 because I have a bado, a clothes to buy
You
to
ask
her.
how
Because I
Pardon
have to
you?
buy
Pardon
one, so 300, so 2,000 really. How much is the payment when you I give you 2,000? 50 pesos? 2,000? Huh?
2 because 1,000 is 100 and 1,000 is 100.
Grabe mo tamad!
You cash out.
Presyo, kapatid yun.
You cash out. 2,000 is equivalent 40 pesos.
40 lang ba?
100. For me, 100.
Sorry.
Because my time is 100.
Oh, your time 100.
I don't know.
You need to clean. You need to clean the CR. The dog. The dog.
I don't want to.
You still have the dog name? The dog name?
Yeah,
Dog name?
it's the goal.
The goal. But she is a girl.
Is she alive?
It's the tomboy.
Yes.
It's lesbian. The goal.
Pregnant as well.
It's a lesbian because she's the goal.
She's the girl and she is pregnant already.
The tomboy is pregnant now.
Yeah.
Nagwala. It's the dog.